So the first operator is the assignment operator. Let me clear that. So I'll use Control L to clear the console. Now the first one is the assignment operator. Now here we have different type of assignment operator. Now what are those? Here I have assignment operators like equal to, that we all know, like equal to operator is known to everywhere, right? Then we have this type of symbol, this arrow. Arrow is also a type of assignment that we can perform, right? Now let's see this, that how this assignment operator will work. Let's say I want to use a equal to 10. Yeah, it is okay. Now I want to use b equal to 10 or b equal to, let's say, 20. Yeah, this is also correct. Now if you want to do c equal to 30. So all those C, all those A, B, and C are the variable and assign some value. So this is the assignment operator we can use. So generally in R, we use the second one, this one for assignment. Okay. So you can choose any one of these for your programming language. So let's say we'll run it. And you see the environment here. So you can see this A, B, C has been created. The value of A is 10, value of B is 20, value of C is 30. Okay, let me clear it and I'll run once again. Let me clear that also. Now, as you can see, the value of A is 10, value of B is 20, value of C is 30, right? And this is giving you the value. Now, if you want to print those value, that you can do. Let's say I want to print the value of A, then B, and then C, that you can do. Sorry. So print the value of A, then B, then C. Right. So value of A is 10, B is 20, and C is 30. Now this is one operator which is called assignment operator. Okay. Now the next operator we have is the arithmetic operator. We have different arithmetic operator, right? So the second operator is arithmetic. In the arithmetic operator, we have a basic operator like plus. We have subtractions, right? We have then multiplication. We have then division, right? We have then power operator, right? We have modulo operator. So we use double modulo for modulo, right? So these are different operator that we have. Let's say we want to use it. So let's say we have the variable A, B, and C. Okay, I would apply the value here with A plus B, right? C minus A, A into B, all those things you know, right? I'm just telling you to the sake of understanding. Then we can do the exponential of it. So I can apply like 20 to the power of something, right? So or we can say the a to the power of 2 that we can do. Then we have modulo. Modulo will give me uh, the modulo vector of it. So it is, let's say, C modulo A, right? So let's run all those things one by one. Now, the first one is addition, is giving you the value. Subtraction is giving you the value. Multiplication is giving you that value, right? Division, then we have exponential a to the power of 2. That is, a is 100. So 100 to the power of 2 is 100 into 100. Then C modulo A, it means that 30 modulo 10 is giving you 0. Okay. If we'll do 30 modulo 4, then it is giving you 2. The remainder is 2, right? 30 modulo 4 is, the remainder is 2. So all those are different arithmetic operator that we have in R, right? Now the next operator is my logical operator. In the logical operator, we have many logical operator like AND operator. We know what is AND operator is, right? Then we have the OR operator. This is the OR operator symbol. This is your symbol which is there in the keyboard. This is a pipeline symbol. Okay, it's not L. Then we have NOT operator. Okay, this is the exclamatory sign for the NOT operator that is required. Then we can use the AND operator for some sort of logical comparison that we want to do. Okay, so for that, or logical comparison we want to do with the OR operator, so we can write OR. So all those things are similar to what you know in in other languages. Okay, so all those are almost similar to it. So let's say if I'll write A and B, or A or B, or A not. So these are the logical operator. It will produce the logical output like true or false something. And we have A and then B. Then we have A or B. Okay, so let's see what output it is producing, all those operators. So you see A and B is true, A or B is true, A and B is true, A and or B is true. So exclamatory, okay. So in the exclamatory, we have to, or this is a unary operator. So we have to use with only one variable. So not true. So every A, B, everyone has the value. So it is true. But if I say not true, it will give you the false. Not true means false. Yeah. So this is your not operator that is useful here. So these are different logical operator that we have. Then in the operator, we have different relational operator. This relational operators, we know all those relational operator less than, right? If we want to find a less than equal to, so all those things we can do with the comparison and all, greater than, um, greater than equal to, right? Then we have that not equal to in that way. So all those things we can have, right? And it will also give me the value as true and false when I do the comparison with those arithmetic. So let's say A is less than B. So obviously it will give me true value because A is really less than B. A is less than equal to B, or A is greater than B. So A is not greater than B. So definitely it will give me the value as false. Then A is greater than equal to B. Then we have A, which is not equal to B. Yeah, it will give me the result true. Let me clear this and execute this. So you see it is coming like A is less than B. Yes, 10 is less than 20. It is true. 10 is less than or equal to 20. It is true. 10 is greater than B. No, it is false. 10 is greater than equal to B. No, it is false. 10 is not equal to 20. Yes, it is true. So it is all relational operators. So we have seen different operators here. As well as we have different other operators that will be useful, and we'll see those usefulness later on. So we have like in operator is there that we can use. Then we have colon is there, and then asterisk operator is also there. So we have some other operators which are exist. So we have in operator, which will tell us that it is in that particular set or not. Then we have asterisk operator, which is used generally in the matrices and all. Then we have the colon operator. So colon we have already seen. So these are all different operator. All those operator we'll see in the later section of the R program. Okay. So it is all related to your operator that exists here. Then comes the keywords. So we have different keywords available in R. If you'll see different keywords which is available, like we know that all the keywords that we are using in different languages are the reserved words that we have. Okay. So on that particular reserve words, what are the different words we have is if, else, then we have here different type of functions that we'll use, the functions name and all. That is also those reserve words are there. Apart from that, we have different inbuilt functions we have, that is also comes under that particular category. Okay. So we have like if, else, while, right? So if you'll write some of the keywords So we have if, right, else, while. Here also we have those. Then we have repeat, for, all those are for the loop. Then we have function is a keyword, in is a keyword, next is another keyword. Then we have break that we'll use is another keyword. Then we have true that we are writing, false. Okay, these are all keywords. Then we have null. If I don't have any value, then I'll use null. Nan is also a keyword here, which is not a number. Then we have not a number, integer. So we have different type of keywords available. Not a number real, not a number complex, not a number character. Then we have for the infinity, we have INF. So all those are different keywords that we generally use. Okay. So all those are different keywords that we have.